Lamborghini to launch upcoming Revuelto with estimate price of 10 crore in India. The Lamborghini Revuelto is scheduled to debut on April 30, 2023. CEO Stefan Winkelmann said the Revuelto will cost about €500,000, which is around $542,000, and is the beginning of a new era for Lamborghini, he added. According to the company website, the car, which will replace the Aventador, carries a powertrain that delivers 1,015 CV total, combining the power of a brand new 12-cylinder internal combustion engine with 3 high-density electric motors and a transversal dual-clutch e-gearbox. The Lamborghini Revuelto goes 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and is said to boast a top speed of 350 km per hour. The car has a robust-looking design line resembling the iconic Lamborghini, with the same muscular-looking sharp and sleek design line that is a unique selling point of the Aventador. The car carries the same vertically opening scissor doors. The frame of the car, according to the official website, is made of multi-technology carbon fiber monocoque, front structure in forged composites, while the body is carbon fiber. The car has aluminium doors, thermoplastic front and rear bumpers. The interior of the Revuelto is designed with driver-focused approach. The exclusive hexagon-shaped elements fulfill the dual mission of evoking past models and highlighting brand-new functional features. So yeah, that's it for the upcoming Lamborghini Revuelto in this video. We would like to hear from you. Comment what you think of the upcoming Lamborghini Revuelto, and yeah, give us feedbacks related to the video or maybe what you want us to cover next for you. Do like the video, or vice versa, and subscribe the channel to stay in touch. Visit our news portal at ditansons.com for the entire in-depth report on Lamborghini Revuelto. Thanks for your time.